Okay, so now we're going to look at the code itself and what it looks like to do what we just did in a spreadsheet. So I've taken a little snippet here of the spreadsheet, the 50 states list of lists, and I've just shown you the 4 records between 29 and 32. And this code here says go out to the 50 states list and look at position number 29 and copy it out to the helper list, one state list. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at row number 29, and we're going to pull out this item right here that is row number 29, and we're going to put it in the one state list. Now we have one state list that has 3 items in it: New Hampshire, Concord, and Live Free or Die. We're going to look at that one state list at position number 3, and we're going to put that thing, we're going to add that thing into the list called the Global Test Bank. So when we do that, what is the answer we get? Well, the answer is Live Free or Die, because in this one row, this one state list, we would have looked at position number 3, we would get Live Free or Die. Now we're going to look at a way to do this in a single step without the helper function. So the helper function is helpful to keep in mind as you're trying to build these complex code structures. So let's look at this helper function. What if we got rid of it? If we got rid of this one state list, we just pulled this out, is there something that's equal to this? Well, the thing that is exactly equal to this is what we put in it. So we could take this select list item thing and just throw it right in here into which list we're selecting. And in fact, that is what I have listed on the next page. So on the next page, you can see that we have this thing that says add an item to the list. And we naturally, because we are English readers, we want to start on the left-hand side. But a good coder, when you have these long strings of code, will start at the other side and start reading this way and go that way. So this basically says start at the 50 states list. Look at item number 29. Start at the 50 states list. That's this thing. Look at item number 29. That is this thing right here. That is a list in and of itself. Once you look at that list, look at position number 3, which is this position over here. Once you have position number 3, then put it into the global test bank, and then you will have the test bank that you're hoping for, which is the set of whatever is in this column over here. Now, this is a different code structure. This one is more efficient because we didn't have to use a helper function to get here. We didn't have to do an interim write in order to get here. So it's more efficient, but either way, the result is exactly the same. Either way, the answer is live free or die, one way or the other.